Suppose we wanted to print this information, but let's say just less of it. We only want to print this part of it. You can highlight less than the entire worksheet. And if you go to the command File, Print, you'll see a choice that says Print what? Selection. In other words, just the data you've highlighted. Let's take a look at our preview now. And you'll see it looks like this. And what you could do here is make it wider and taller by going into Setup and choosing the Page tab and maybe zooming this to 140. Click OK. And we see that that is larger that way. Keep in mind, the nature of certain worksheets is that they are either considerably wider or considerably taller. There are only a certain number of things you can do to rearrange them on a sheet of paper. Again, it's highly recommended that you do choose Print Preview before printing. Once you have printed, and maybe you make content changes to cells here and there, you can certainly print quickly by pointing to this button right here which says Print without going into Print Preview. In other words, if you've gone through the Print Preview process, refined things, and printed once, and if the only thing you do in the meantime is make some content changes, you can easily jump to this particular button and print again without any difficulty. If we've created our worksheet and printed it,